gusting to Atlanta. The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted approximately 11 actual emergency weather situation. The proceeding was by an actual Weather Service Emergency Warning System at Cleveland, WXJ53, AXI-75. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. Temperature was 60 west wind area at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warning Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry. Warnings and selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Cleveland listening area: Banks, Barrow, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall, Harlina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilmer in Georgia and Cherokee County in North Carolina and Polk County in Tennessee. This concludes the weekly temperature. In the lower it was cloudy, pressure. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.